episode of Space Junk after the break. Today's episode is sponsored by Meteor On Demand. Meteor On Demand is the only personal meteor delivery service that brings a meteor straight to your door. You don't have to have a podcast to appreciate the convenience of a good delivery service. That's why I'm such a fan of Meteor On Demand. They take the confusion out of meteor delivery so you don't have to fuss with ancient prophecies or star charts to get what you want when you want it. Simply open up the Meteor On Demand app and a personal meteor will drop into your general vicinity. It's that easy. My partner loves Meteor On Demand's gift delivery feature too. Dropping a meteor on someone is way more personal and memorable than flowers. And for a limited time, podcast listeners get free delivery on their first meteor order with the code SEEYOURCRATER. And now, back to our show.
Numéro 8, 2 points. Patient numéro 8, 2 points. Sujet à des délires mégalomaniaques, point. Convaincu d'être ninja, point. Persuadé de pouvoir voler dans l'espace, point. Sujet à compulsion, 2 points. Doit appuyer sur ses propres boutons dans un ordre numérique spécifique lorsque la situation ne tourne pas à son avantage. Point. Le patient numéro 8 est un paradoxe ambulant. Point. Note, 2 points. Le patient numéro 8 est une machine lente, virgule, colérique et manquant d'assurance. Point. Il lui est, ouvrez les guillemets, virtuellement, fermez les guillemets, impossible de se séparer de son pistolet laser. Point. Toute provocation pourrait avoir des résultats meurtriers. Point. Assure que son mode par défaut est rage. Point. Certain de ne pas être apprécié par son entourage sans pouvoir donner d'exemples précis pour se justifier. Point. Des examens supplémentaires sont nécessaires pour explorer l'obscurité dissimulée dans cette machine composée de panneaux de fibres à densité moyenne. Point. Nicole, marquez-le pour jeudi en 8 et mardi en 15. Ah, mais c'est pas éteint ça, et si je...
家の屋根はどうですか？穴は開いていますか？大丈夫。みんな同じです。大、中、小、どんな穴でも修理可能。屋根は崩れたり、へこんだり、剥がれてお隣の庭に落ちてしまうことも。小川屋根はいい会社。何が原因で開いた穴でも大丈夫。私たちにお任せください。シングル屋根、タイル屋根、高層ビルの屋根、セダムや苔が生えた屋根など、小川屋根は14種類以上の屋根を取り扱っています。どんな状態の屋根でも大丈夫。丸ごと解決できます。信頼の小川屋根は穴のない屋根をご提供します。今すぐワークショップに参加して夢の屋根を手に入れよう。小川屋根はあなたの屋根の夢を叶えます。
You're listening to Car Talk. This crow's got the tough answers for your toughest questions.
Hey, Crow. My Jeannie and I have been together for about 8 months now, and, well, I'm not sure I want to be around him anymore. I'm afraid to bring it up because I don't want to hurt his self-esteem. But shouldn't a person be able to rub a lamp without rubbing out all this codependency, too? Don't get me wrong. Gene's great. I mean, he gave me a wish. But is making me feel responsible for his happiness really a fair exchange for a backyard pool? I guess I just feel like he needs to find his own bottle, you know? Wow, I never thought about it that way. I am projecting my fear of commitment, and that isn't fair to my partner. You're totally right. We need to designate an emotional support zone where both parties feel safe and open the lines of communication in order to work towards a greater mutual understanding. Thanks, Crow.
Today's Rock Block is powered by Genie Later, the only Genie repellent guaranteed to eliminate clean Genie. Rub your lamp the right way with Genie Later.
If you or a loved one are suffering from molecular reconstruction as a result of a roller coaster, you may be entitled to a gift card voucher settlement worth up to 35 gems. Don't let Big Coaster throw you for a loop. Call now for a free consultation.
Прикри си многото кръгли рани с превръзките на Second Skin. Скин има първо име и името е Second. Second Skin. Предлагат се навсякъде, където се продава скин.
Are you a dancer? Come dance for us, and we'll hire you. We need dancers for our fun summer show. It's an amazing show and safe for everyone. We need more dancers right now. But not only good dancers. If you're a good dancer, come dance for us, and we will hire you. If you're not good, we will teach you, and then you can join the show. Many healthy dancers with strong immune systems and few family connections will get a job in the dance show. Spinning is important. It's a big part of the show. Come to audition. We want dancers who don't notice things, so pay attention to the instructor. No wandering eyes. Just pay attention, eyes forward, and dance, okay? Do you have a weak sense of smell? That's a plus, too. Please bring your own shoes to the audition and dance at your best.
Il est 1h du matin, et avant de lancer notre séquence douce nuit, jazzy, un petit mot de notre partenaire.
Max énergie, 10 secondes d'énergie, un max de puissance. Choisissez Max énergie, la boisson énergisante, rapidité, célérité, vélocité, Max énergie, la seule boisson pour aller encore plus vite, et sinon, la vélocité, Max énergie, la boisson qui donne plus de vitesse.
L'accesso a un armamentario adeguato raddoppia il rischio di fattorizzazione nei soggetti dai 65 anni in su. Aiutaci a dare una palestra a chi ne ha più bisogno. Gli anziani ne hanno bisogno.
Today's rock block is powered by Genie Laser, the only genie repellent guaranteed to eliminate clean genies. Rub your lamp the right way with Genie Laser.
Laissez votre passé derrière vous. Ils arrêteront de vous appeler petit. Et maintenant, Daryl. Laissez la marée haute vous emporter vers votre avenir. Plus qu'un baril, plus qu'un robot. Abandonnez tout derrière vous et ne portez que votre peau. Pour femme, pour homme et pour robot.
Consolidated Paper and Cardboard. We have all the top quality corrugated paper products to fit your office, small business, restaurant, or bar needs. Our inventory includes paper towels and napkins, paper cups, coffee sleeves, and our best-selling bar coasters. Our thick, high-quality coasters are heavy-duty and reliable, able to soak up water from the sweatiest, most condensation-covered glasses. Never again will an inconsiderate customer slop down his or her sopping wet glass on a beautiful polished wooden table, ruining the finish with a blatant disregard of the rules. Consolidated's coasters are strong enough to soak up the wet, inconsiderate puddles from the most selfish rule breakers in the world. Here at Consolidated, it makes us... let's just say it makes us very angry to even think about people not using our coasters when they're right there available for use. In fact, this anger can often feel all-consuming, a rage that starts deep in the chest and is in danger of spilling over into a parade of fury that will blot out the sky. Use a coaster, use a coaster, use a coaster. If we have to tell you this one more time, we'll destroy every wet fiber of your being. Do not test our patience. We will...
Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use. Consolidated Paper Company, the product you should always use.
This message is from Mort. It's a shovel repair tech again, and I'm calling about these bats. I don't know if you know this or not, but you got a lot of bats in your shovel, and well, we're not totally equipped to deal with all the bats. Normally, we don't get shovels riddled with bats like this in a shop, so that's gonna take some more time. I mean, what are you doing with this thing? One bat I can understand, but a whole swarm or whatever it's called, it don't seem right. We can't keep fixing this thing if you're going to bring it in full of bats like this.
Soffrono di carenza cronica di malessere. Questa carenza supera di gran lunghe quelle relative a qualsiasi altra. Il mancato accesso armamentario adeguato raddoppia il rischio di fatalizzazione nei soggetti dai 65 anni in su. Aiutaci a dare una balestra a chi ne ha più bisogno. Gli anziani ne hanno bisogno.
Minuet Monday is brought to you by Frozen TV Rations. Park Frozen TV Rations. It's like having a theme park in your mouth. Find it in the frozen section of your grocery store.
Combat your dental hygiene in a stealthy way with new Tripwire Floss for teens. Yeah! Blast away plaque buildup and detonate dental debris with Tripwire Floss's eagle-eyed persuasion for teens. Yeah! Landmine cavities be dental doomed. Your new smile will go boom! Tripwire Floss will blow your mom and dad away. Yeah! Trip, 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 Tripwire. Trip, Tripwire. For your mouth the American way.
When you floss with this kind of stuff, you blow your friends and parents away. Wow! Tripwire floss is for small adults under 18. Yeah!
Howdy, cowpokes. Are you sick of weak cactus? Do you wish you could have cactus in Siberian winter, or even in nuclear winter? Then you're in luck, little doggy. Our cactus are made in special soil with the best humane growth vitamins, so they have the sharpest, teeth. These cactus practically take care of themselves. It's almost like a little man lives inside. But do not look inside for a little man. Never look inside for a little man. We have bulk rates too. Our cactus are perfect for weddings, birthdays, funerals, theme parks, funerals, and more. So mosey on down on Cowboy Ivan Cactus Patch and pick a cactus before they pick you.
Тази реклама от Как Трикал и Как Трикал Плюс. Единственият офисивен клем доказан да защитава бактериалия инфекция от обикновените ухапвания на кактус. Сега за залог.
Do you work in a scrapyard? Are you sick? If you answered yes to one or both of those questions, then you may be eligible for health insurance coverage with Scrapsurance Healthcare, the only health insurance company by and for scrapyard workers. We specialize in medical conditions such as being sick. Don't let life scrap you by. Call Scrapsurance Healthcare today.
Have the skin of a princess but the heart of a coal miner? Then you might be Mike. Become the calloused, sun-deprived, explosively spectacular you. Little Miss Scratchy Beard, stubble stuck in a mouthful of missing teeth you. It's not shape-shifting, it's skin transplanting. Skin of Mike. Skin of Mike. Right now, all over the world, there's a genie without a bottle, while another is trapped in a takeout container with yesterday's French fries. These frightened, mostly innocent genies don't even know how to wish for the hope of a better lamp. Rewish's Genie Shelter leaves no surface unrubbed in order to find these genies and help them learn to lamp again. But we can't do it alone. For the price of an energy drink, you too can save these wishless genies left unloved and adrift. Won't you help us? We can't end genie lamplessness, but we can help light the lamp that lights the way.
Want to be a winner? Then give yourself an edge over your enemies with Slow Pro Anti-Energy Substance.
Don't drink it, throw it. It's poison.
Some people want a level playing field. Other people would rather use poison.
Don't drink it, throw it. It's poison, silly. Poison.
Slow Pro Anti-Energy Substance replenishes your opponents with the necessary toxins they need in order for you to win.